Find Nibbles is a food service provider. And simply put, our network of restaurants brings room service meals to guests that are staying in hotels where freshly prepared meals are not available. And it's really simple. The guests, they dial an 800 number, they enter the restaurant extension, and then they speak directly with the restaurant staff. There's no middleman involved. Happy customers equal repeat customers. Find Nibbles conducted a survey through Google, asking travelers, would they order from this service if it were available? 10.9% of the travelers said they would order often. 28.2% of the travelers said they would order sometimes. 2.9% of the travelers said they would order always. Why calls? This year, nearly 10 times as many phone calls will be generated from mobile search versus desktop search. 10 times. That's nearly 35 billion calls. How many of those are coming from your hotel guests?